Evening. This is Professor Harpreet Singh from IIT Ropur. I am going to present this innovative coating technology which we have recently invented at IIT Ropur. This is technology and process for coating a substrate with swap particle. My co-inventors are Dr. Malkeet Singh and Professor Christopher Pearl from Swinburne University of Technology. This technology, which we have called as grind coating technology, basically it uses the swap particles. Swap particles are based from the grinding operation. So whenever we grind materials, for example, we are grinding this, lot of waste is generated which goes into the environment. But here what we have done is we have used these swap particles directly onto a substrate to deposit in the form of coating. So this is a small video about this invention, that here the swap particles are being generated which are then transferred at high velocity onto this surface as a coating. So this high velocity is provided by this wheel obviously, and these particles which were earlier waste, now they are getting deposited as a coating. Some salient points about this invention. This current invention or the process is very novel. No prior study on such a coating technique has been reported earlier. But if we see the competitor is thermal spray technology. In thermal spray technology, we use temperature and velocity to propel the particles towards the substrate. But the problem there is that you can't use the waste particles. Secondly, it's very costly. Thermal spray technologies are very costly and state of the art. There you have to invest a lot of money. Whereas in this case, we have a very simple setup, as simple as a grinder, which has to be retrofitted to give the advantage. So it's very economical in that sense. And another thing is that it can coat ceramics, even such as glass. Of course, this is a green technology. Now this is to show some of the evidences what we have done so far with the help of this technology. One of the things which we are most fascinated is that it can deposit coatings on glass. You can see the glass being coated with the help of mild steel. So mild steel is a coating here. So you can see the microstructures obtained here. Very nice coating has been developed on mild steel over the glass surface. And you can see no diffusion here, and intact coating can be seen here. These are some of the more different types of samples where the aluminum, in this case aluminum, has been coated with a very thick coating of mild steel. You can see this. And similarly, this is acrylic polymer which is being coated with mild steel again, and you can see nice interfaces and microstructures. This is the way we have optimized this process for several material and coating combinations. So this is one for our glass substrate, and one of the major parameters is standoff distance. So this has been optimized in this case. So this way we have done extensive work to optimize this process for several coating and substrate combinations. Talking about the potential applications, we can develop coatings on soft or hard, see the flexibility, or a combination of both. And second, the metal coatings onto glass, which can be for selective opacity or for decoration or for some engineering functionality, such as in solar panels. Remanufacturing and repair of the defective components, which is another interesting application of this technology. And of course, filling of molds and cavities for substantial build-up can be achieved. This is the US patent which we have got for this invention. These are our contacts, so you can contact me or my inventors. So emails and phone number is given here. Thank you very much.